Okay, I want to give you an update on how my seeds are doing. I planted these on the 24th. Today's the 29th, so it's been 5 days. So let's go ahead and take a look. Right over here are the peas that I had. So in 5 days, look at that. Would you look at that, huh? So those are the peas. These are the marigolds. Now these marigolds right up here in the middle between those two signs. So all these here are marigolds. Now I planted these on the 24th, and the next morning, the 25th, they had already sprouted about a 1/4 inch. I never realized marigolds grow virtually overnight. And then over here, on this side, from this sign right here over, so all these are the crimson tomato that I sliced into slices for Raluca. And so these came up from the slices. You could see, like right here, there was one whole tomato slice over here. I think I put actually a half here and a half there. This was a whole slice. See how they all came up from that slice? And this was a whole slice over here. Actually, that one was pushed a little bit too far to the back. But you could see how they grew really fast. Matter of fact, it looks like there might still be a couple more coming up. So the crimson tomato from tomato, the marigold seeds, and these are the peas. And then what I did was, I think after last week's video, I actually planted some big beef tomatoes. So these are my big beefs. You get really close and you can say, oh, there, I can see the beef in them now. And then over here, I planted some red pepper seeds, and of course those take about 20 days, I think, to come up, so nothing yet. Just wanted to give you an update. Things are going well, and I will show you another update in probably another few days. This is 5 days after previously showing them to you, so 10 days from planting them. Today is May 4th. So let's go ahead and start with these here. If you remember, I showed you the peas that we planted 10 days from planting them. Look how tall they are. And in the middle here, between these two white things, these are all the marigolds that I planted. Remember, they came up a day after I planted them. Now these are the crimson tomatoes on this side. See, crimson tomato. These are the ones, if you remember, I took a crimson tomato from the grocery store, sliced it into round, thin slices, and planted them. You can see where I planted them. There was a piece of a tomato here, here. This was a whole slice of a tomato. And I planted another whole slice right here. And look at all those. They're growing round, just like from where the slice came up. So they're looking beautiful. Those are the crimson tomatoes. And then coming up here, I did the big beef tomatoes, so 5 more days growth, 10 days altogether. And then I planted some peppers. If you remember, I told you the peppers wouldn't be up for 20 days. Well, these are the red bell peppers, so California Wonders, and this is after 10 days. Look at that, they've already started to come up. So these seeds are doing wonderful. If you want to know the kind of seeds and where I got them from, look in the description below. I'll put all kinds of information there. So, the next time you'll be seeing them is outdoors in my kiddie pools and grow bags. And I have to transplant them. These are going to be transplanted pretty quickly. And with that, have a great day, happy gardening, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green.